Hey bag makers! In today's mini tutorial and in honor of the resurrection of Jesus, we are making a no-sew leather cross bookmark. For the free PDF pattern, comment pattern and a link will be sent to you. The only materials you need for this bookmark is a piece of leather. I recommend anywhere from a 3 to 5 ounce piece, scissors or a rotary blade, a knife such as an X-Acto or utility knife, fabric scissors, and a ruler. Be sure your knife is very sharp. Optional tools will be an edge burnisher or edge paint if you decide to finish the edges. Start off by cutting out the paper pattern. When cutting the cross, be sure to only cut around the dashed lines and not the top line of the cross. This is how your bookmark will hold a book page. Be sure the inside the cross pattern has straight, clean edges. You want that to transfer over to the leather. Once you have cut out the paper pattern, it is time to take this piece to your leather. Here is a tip. If you can, cut out the bookmark without using a tracing pen. Otherwise, you will see the pen marks on the back of your leather bookmark. However, if this is your first time working with leather or are new to leather crafting, no worries. Simply use light pressure with your marking tool when tracing. Using your fabric scissors, rotary blade, or knife, cut around the full bookmark pattern. Next, use your ruler and knife to slowly and gently cut around the cross, being careful to not cut the top line of the cross. Once the cross has been cut out, pull away the pattern and ensure your cut marks have gone all the way through to the front side of the leather. Slowly make additional small cut marks if needed. There you have it, bag makers, your resurrection bookmark. At this stage, you may choose to finish the leather edges by burnishing or edge painting, or you may leave them as is. Then they will hand him over to the Romans to be mocked, flogged with the whip, and crucified. But on the third day, he will be raised from the dead. Matthew 20:19. Happy bag making.